The lattice method. Today I will tell you about the lattice method. It is a method that you can use to multiply numbers. To do the lattice method, you need this grid. It is a special grid that was made for lattice. Today we will do lattice with 2-digit numbers, and I chose 37 and 42. So, now I will explain how to do the real lattice method. So, this grid, it connects the 7 and the 4. And so, you do 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28, so you put it in the grid like I did. The diagonal lines separate each square into halves, so you put one number on each side. Next, we will do the 7 times 2. They connect because of this square. So, 7 times 2 is 14, so again, you split it up and write it into the square. Next, we will do 3 times 4. They connect because of this square. 3 times 4 is 12, so again, we split it up and write it into the squares. Then, we do 2 times 3. They connect through here. Since 6 is a 1-digit number, we write a 0 here and then the 6 here. Now you're done filling the grid. So, now we will add up the numbers to get the real number. This is in one of the diagonal line places, and since there's no other number anywhere, the only number is 4. That means the one place is a 4. Here, though, they are in the same lines of the diagonal lines, so 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 6 is 15. So, now the 5 comes here because it's in the ones place, but the 10 actually, has to go here into this. So, let's cover this. That means we add 2 plus 2 plus 1. The answer is 5. Now we do this last one. It is also in a space where there is no other number. So again, the answer is the only number that is there. Now you are done multiplying. Your answer is 1,554. Because it is hard to see, we will just write it big. Yay, you did the lattice method. Now I will tell you how to do a different way of lattice method. The second way to multiply with lattice I'll show you is with 3-digit numbers and 1-digit numbers. You can multiply any number by lattice, but I just want to show you this as the second way. Again, each box connects 2 numbers. This time though, each number in the 3-digit numbers connect to the 1-digit number, which is 6. So, we will start with 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So again, you split it up and write it down. Next, we will do 4 times 6 because it is connected by this box. 4 times 6 is 24. And of course, you have to split it up again because of the diagonal lines. Lastly, we will do 9 times 6 because they connect through this. 9 times 6 is 54. And we have to split it up again. Now you filled out the grid again. And so we have to find the real number. Again, in this box, there's the only 8 because there's no other numbers. So, for that one, the answer is 8. Next, we have to do 4 plus 4 because they are in the same box made by the diagonal lines. Again, the answer is 8. Next, we have to do the numbers in this diagonal box. 4 plus 2 is 6, so the answer is 6. Oh, I forgot to mention, in the diagonal boxes, you add the numbers that are in the same box, not multiply. Lastly, we will do the number in this diagonal box. Since there's no other numbers, I don't need to add 5 to anything. So, the answer is 5. So there you have your answer. 5,688. Good job, everybody. Bye.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.